Hi there, everyone. Everybody loves candy, from the very young to the very old. But for this holiday season, don't mess with candy. I repeat, don't mess with candy. You may mess with this candy, but not this one. Haha.
Me no want nobody saying to me.
Yeah.
Me, I candy me I got two. So candy man me yes me I take. Candy, which one your man them me I take?
Yes, sir.
Which one your man them?
Oh, you send me text, send on the number.
Candy and lean, so.